Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your 3UK SIM card. It's super simple. First, insert your 3 SIM card into your phone and turn it on. Keep your phone switched on while it connects to the 3 network. This may take up to 2 hours. You'll receive a text message confirming that activation has started. Then you'll get another message asking you to restart your phone. Once you turn your phone off and on again, your SIM card will be fully activated and ready to use for calls, texts, and data. And that's it. Your 3UK SIM is now active. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.